Alright boys, I finally got my hands on this stuff. The Solderweld Hot Block, alright? We're going to give this a little test, guys. Here's the can here. We're going to see if it lives up to the hype. I already got my torch set up here. Set up with acetylene with an A8 tip. I get this applied on my piece of pipe. There's a piece of 7/8 copper, piece of scrap pipe I had here. And I got my temp clamp hooked up on this side, which we are reading now 61 degrees right there, 61.9. Nothing in the pipe. Not trying to fool around with you guys, give anyone a rip off or anything. You can see right to the end of that pipe. There's nothing in here. We're gonna light up this torch and we're gonna see what this does. Ready, boys? Here we go. See that pipe heating up? Gonna get this cherry red. It's already there. See that? Cherry red. Look at that. Things just turned black. Still red hot. 81 degrees. Say that works pretty good, boys. So I'm gonna show you guys this real quick. You put it on generously like that. But this would be great for protecting valves, dryers. I tried it on a dryer last week. Like, I'm holding this pipe right now. It's on my hand. Lukewarm coming through there. Cooler than a liquid line. So, just wanted to give you guys a quick video on this. Looks like this stuff works pretty good. If you guys don't got it in your supply houses, ask for this stuff. Sorry about the reflection there. This stuff is the real deal, boys. You saw it right here. Torch and everything. So I just took the stuff off, guys. The putty, there's still a little bit left on here, but you can see 74, 73 on my line going down. All nice and cool. This is what the stuff looked like. It's just like a putty. It's like a putty and you apply it around, sort of like Play-Doh. A little more fibrous in it, but it's really all it is. And if you can reuse it, like I just took that off the pipe and it's back in here. And if it starts to get a little dry or whatever, you just got to add a little water, knead it back up in there, and you can use it again. It's reusable too, guys. This is, I don't know, I'm convinced. I'm pretty sold on this stuff. You guys know what you think, if you've tried it or not, or whatever, but I'm pretty impressed. I'll be using this from now on for, you know, especially on TX valves and stuff, sensitive parts like that, solenoids that you don't want to cook. So, definitely a good product, guys. Keep an eye out for it. What's up, boys? Hope everyone's doing well. So, like I said, I just wanted to give you guys a quick example of that, just show you what that stuff is capable of. I think it's a pretty cool product. Like I said, I've never used it before. I just used it last week. Putting in a liquid line dryer, just tried it out on that, and I put it on both ends. I was amazed. Right after I was done brazing both ends, I could still grab the dryer, hold it, whatever. Like, the stuff works good. You saw it right there. I wasn't playing any tricks on you. I showed you down the pipe. You could see the light through it. I didn't have anything stuffed in the pipe, like some ice or some other type of heat absorbing thing, anything like that. I'm not getting paid to say this stuff either. I don't have a sponsorship or nothing like that, but I just want to show you guys as, a guy out in the field, products that work. I mean, you don't want to use junk, guys. You know what I mean? And if it didn't work, I'd put a video up and tell you guys the same thing, and I'd say, don't buy this stuff. It's junk. But that's not the case. I want to be able to show you guys some cool tools or some products of the trade if I'm able to get them or afford them to be able to show you guys. But I'm impressed because, like I said, I'm old school, man. I'm used to wrapping a wet rag around something and then, cooling it with a wet rag after, So this stuff's like all new to me, so it is what it is. But thank you guys for all your support, and thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you boys in the next one.